man, we all on the same side. So, you know what I'm saying? I took this from my sister right here, like Brown, you know what I'm saying? Like down for liberty. You know, I read her article and I made a song out of it. Right? So y'all follow me if you know it. We gon' lock it down for liberty against the prison industry. This is modern slavery. They try to make us work for free. Lock it down for liberty against the prison industry. This is modern slavery. They try to make us work for free. They treat us like dirt in the pen, like third of a man, like 1971 won't happen again. Africans had a right to resist when police make you eat and sleep or you piss and you shit. Throw me in the bullpen as if I'm one of them, and then try to separate me from my wife and my kids like life with a bed. It's something saving me. They built a jailhouse when they abolished slavery, and that's the fastest shit. The fool make you impotent, you can't go to school. It's cool to be ignorant. I'm belligerent against the norm. There's been attacks on the blacks since before I was born. We go lock it down for liberty against the prison industry. This is modern slavery and try to make us work for free. Lock it down for liberty. We ain't got a hype crowd, man. How y'all feel about education? Money in jail to take money out of schools, right? So they rather beef up the police and get us off the streets and send us to jail for free labor, right? So this is called chop from the top, you know what I'm saying? And it's about the 99% because we gotta turn the pyramid upside down, you know what I'm saying? So when I say chop from the top, y'all say cut the board of administration. When I say chop from the top, y'all say don't limit my education. You understand? Just follow. Chop from the top, cut the board of administration. Chop from the top, don't limit my education. Chop from the top, 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 cut the board of administration. Chop from the top, don't limit my education. Chop from the top, chop from the top.
Chop from the top, chop from the top.
First off, my mama ain't raised no fool. Show me history was a winner, look at every variable. Why the murder rate high, graduation rate low, and I can find to a plantation called the ghetto. Ain't too many of us fighting because most of us don't know. Education, administration, they fight for folks. We need to brighten our hope, so I'ma ride like the folk. Come together like a fist and hit a white in the nose. I suppose, because my pants ain't down to the flow. An institution of high knowledge ain't where I belong. Or that pursuing college and the dream that I want. Like Dr. Martin Luther King, but now that he's gone, ain't no reason for the dream to die. It's a war against education and we gon' fight. I'ma get that man the eagle line, tell him chop from the top so we can rise. They need to chop from the top.
Chop from the top.
Chop from the top, don't limit my education. Chop from the top.
Chop from the top.
They need to chop from the top.
Chop from the top.
Administration still stick to their guns, and we got proof that all of you broke misappropriate funds. They want the whole piece of pie, trying to leave us in crumbs like since Obama in office. We can't complain about that. Now how you thinking I'm supposed to act? They cut 138 million and try to give us about $1 million back. They cut 600 classes, student services, and bus passes. At schools with army recruiters, we lose the students by the masses. I'm taking action. Who coming with me? I got 4 kids and I'm trying to get a PhD. I've been to budget cut meetings with the SUP, and I done been beaten by the OPD, and I done been reading about WEB Du Bois, who really took it seriously. They call it national security. This is too many of us in the streets fighting for the right to breathe. Chop from the top.
Chop from the top.
Hey man, this is crazy, man. Without the music.
That's right.
They killing kids, you see it all on Channel 4. It's going on others. Shame on them old folks who didn't raise us with all the knowledge they could have gave us. All they wanted to talk about was the fucking race. This is the racist. They've been killing my kind since the beginning of time. Based on this book they require, inspired by time. He got something to think about. Push a panther in the corner. What you think he do to come about? Under the couch or something big for the pig. If he thinking to hassle me and try to run in my crib, I put a hole in him fast as big as the door that he did. And finna come on him fast like a cone out here. I put the real revolution ready to walk in the shoes. And some of the soldiers I'm inspired by with nothing to lose. We get the boys in blues. If they come through, and something in the underbucket, something on the roof. Somebody gon' shoot, but who gon' shoot first? I ain't gonna be the one there, done the hearse. They say we curse from my skin tone, but if only the strong survive, then I know I'm gonna live long. He was and the teacher